Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the slide tab in Explaindio 4.0. In a previous video I showed you how to add scene templates to your project, so I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial first. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a scene template. So these were the three scene templates that we added in the previous video. Let me click on the first one, and I'll go to the slide tab and click the Customize this animation button. You will see that it opens a whole bunch of new tabs. Now bear in mind that what you see in these tabs will be different for different templates. So let's go to the text tab. This template has two text areas. Let's take a quick preview of the scene, and then I'll pause it right here. Text area 1 is the bottom text. So let me change it to video creation software. I'll uncheck this box for word wrap and use this plus button for the Y offset to adjust the position. Next, I'll go to the text area 2 and change the text to Explaindio 4.0. If you want to, you can format the text. I'm going to leave it as is. Next, we'll go to the Image tab. I'll add a background image from the gallery. I'll go with one from the background images and choose number 22 and click Add Image. Next, I'll go to Image area 2. I'll click Browse and add the Explaindio logo from my computer, like so. You can use these offset buttons if you need to change the position of the image. I'll leave it as is. We'll remove that image behind the logo in a moment in the Outline tab. Let's take a quick preview to see what the changes look like. That's looking pretty good. In the Video tab, there are two video areas. Let me click the Browse button, choose a video from a computer, like so. But if you preview the scene, you don't see the video in the background. That's because we need to remove the background image from the Image tab, as you can only have one or the other. So let me click the Remove button, and the image is now removed. And now if you do a quick scene preview, you'll see the video playing in the background of the scene. These offset buttons in the Video tab are similar to the ones in the Image tab. In the Animation tab, there is really not much other than these two on and off buttons for a couple of animations. And finally, in the Outline tab, you'll see a whole bunch of outline areas that you can customize. For example, if I uncheck some of these boxes, you'll see in the preview which areas these are. I'll go ahead and change the color in the third outline area to dark blue. I'll change the color of the fifth area to light blue. I'll uncheck these two boxes. And finally, I'll scroll to the bottom and change the last area to another shade of blue. And now if you do a quick preview, you'll see that we've fully customized this whole scene template. So similarly, this is a preview of the second scene template that we added. And here is a preview of the same template, but as you can see, I fully customized it. And finally, this is a preview of the third scene that we added. And here's a preview of the same template, but as you can see, it's fully customized. One final note, the Close button will take you back to the original tabs. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.